So I like yoga. 18 years ago, I poo-pooed yoga. I would not have even thought about doing yoga, because I was like the personal trainer and I only did the tough stuff. But I had a baby and I thought, I'll go do that stretching class, And so I went and did the stretching class and it was more challenging than I thought. So there's so many benefits to yoga and I'm not going to go into all of them right now. But I thought that I would talk briefly about anxiety because that was brought up recently. And it's really cool, the science behind why yoga can really be helpful and beneficial with anxiety. And just briefly, thought I would tell you why. Have you ever wondered why or how yoga could be beneficial to something like anxiety? So when you do yoga, you should be thinking about incorporating your breath with your body position changes. Okay, they're called postures. But so you're going from one position or posture to the next, and you breathe in and you breathe out. And the combination of the breathing with the mental focus, with the body movements, all help to increase the blood flow to a specific area of the brain. And it's not quite the same as if you'd have done just cardio, right? It's not quite the same. When you do the yoga, because you've got this focus that's coordinated with the breath, coordinated with the body, that helps to increase the blood flow to the prefrontal cortex, like the front part of your brain here. And in the prefrontal cortex is the thalamus that ends up stimulating the production of a chemical in your brain. It's a neurotransmitter called GABA. So GABA is very cool. GABA is your chill neurotransmitter. It helps with relaxation. It helps you calm down. There's an opposing neurotransmitter, as there is with everything in the body. There's always that opposing group that is excitatory, right? But GABA is the calm you down, chill you out. And so increasing or stimulating the production of GABA is what is beneficial to you feeling your chill, right? So that's how that can become so helpful with yoga. Another cool little fact you may or may not know about this is that there are genetics that influence the production of GABA and glutamate, the opposing. And so when you learn a little more about your genetics, then you can, and if you're experiencing anxiety or, tons of other things you can do with genetics, then you'd be able to get a little bit more clarification around, why you're experiencing anxiety and what you can do about it. So there are lifestyle changes that you can make, food changes. There are some supplements that help increase or upregulate the production of certain neurotransmitters. So really very cool science, really very cool things that you can do to help with anxiety. So anyway, hope you go and try a yoga class today.